Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Advanced Spoken English. In English, one excellent quotation is there: today a reader, tomorrow a leader. In this manner, we can understand if you change your generation, the generation will change another generation. What are the reasons to learn English? English is a universal language or global language. English opens up your world to knowledge. You can become better educated. You can improve your confidence. English is the language of internet. English is easy to learn. Better choice for your bright future. Say goodbye to language barrier and say hello to spoken English. Venue PM Ready Education Society Nalanda Vidyalayam. Duration period is 2 months. JNS for spoken English. Contact number 8985307001 9948438272.
మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.